What is a toaster and how does it work? A toaster is a small but mighty kitchen appliance designed to do one thing really well: toast your bread. Today's toasters are designed to handle more than bread. You can give crumpets, bagels, waffles, your favourite fruit bread, or even a slice of bread straight from the freezer a warm golden crunch. Some have extra wide slots, some can reheat, keep warm, or defrost. So how does a toaster work? It works by passing electricity through a heating element, creating radiant heat that browns and crisps the bread's surface. You can adjust how golden you want your toast, usually with a simple dial or lever. There are three types of toasters. Metallic strip toasters. So these are old school toasters, where a strip of metal bends when it's heated. Once it curves just enough, your toast pops up. Timer toasters. Timer toasters are all about precision. The number on the dial tells you the exact minutes your bread will be toasting. Handy if you have a morning routine down to a fine art. Then capacitor toasters. These are modern day marvels. Your dial looks the same but represents resistance and voltage instead of time. All toasters have adjustable shade settings, with numbers or notches representing light to dark. The higher the number or notch leaves your toaster cooking longer than a lower setting. Our toasters are also available in 2 and 4 slices and come in a variety of beautiful colours that will look fantastic on your kitchen bench. For more information on toasters or to shop our range, please see the description below.